Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Mrs. Bandu's Math Movies. These are notes for Lessons 8-1, Course 3, solids. We are going to identify solids, parts of solids, and skew line segments. Okay, so this really is setting up our definitions that we will be using throughout the rest of the chapter. Okay, so here we go. Solids, let me get that a little bit bigger for you, and I'll try to remember to rotate the page down or move the page down periodically. Okay, solids are objects that do not lie in a plane. They have length, width, and height. Basically, they're three-dimensional. A polyhedron is a solid whose faces are polygons such as prisms and pyramids, or such as a prism or a pyramid. Okay. Oops, sorry. Trying to get a good location on this here. All right. Skew lines are lines that do not intersect and are not parallel. All right, a blank. A prism is a solid that has two parallel bases that are congruent polygons. And here we have a prism drawn. Here, these two things that they are pointing to are edges. This here is a lateral edge. This is a base edge, but these are both types of edges. Okay. The vertices are each corner is a vertex, or they are vertices. It's not marked, but I'm going to. The lateral face would be one of these faces, this square piece right here. This part up here this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This pentagon here and the one below are bases. Okay, so if you're trying to figure out the pieces, they're pretty self-explanatory, but anyway. All right, a pyramid is a solid with exactly one base, which is a polygon, and the lateral faces are triangles. Okay, and it doesn't say this here, but it also has a vertex opposite the base where all the lateral faces intersect. That's a vertex as well. Okay, a cylinder is a solid with two bases that are parallel congruent circles. Okay, so here's a circle, here's a circle. This would be a cylinder. And this right in here, this piece here that makes kind of the body, that would actually, if we flatten it out, would be a rectangle. Okay, a cone is a solid with exactly one circular base and one vertex. And that vertex clearly is opposite the base. All right, so let's look here. Naming solids and their parts. In the figure at the right, describe the base, name the figure, and name the part labeled CD. Okay, so first of all, the base is a rectangle. The figure then is a rectangular pyramid. Segment CD is a base edge. It is an edge, but we can be a little more specific and say base edge. Okay, so CD runs right back here in this dotted one. Okay, which common solids make up this toy? Okay, so the box is a rectangular prism. The head is a sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E. The cone, the hat is a cone, with a sphere on top. And basically, a sphere is the set of all points in space that are equidistant from a center. That wasn't defined here for you, but that's what a sphere is. Okay, let's look at a couple of examples. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, we do still have another example, my bad. All righty. It says identifying skew line segments. For each figure, name a pair of skew line segments, a pair of parallel line segments, and a pair of intersecting line segments. Okay, so an example of skew line segments might be segment AB and segment CF. CF is down there. AB is up here, CF. Okay, BC, segment BC, and segment EF are one of the pair of parallel sides, or parallel segments. Intersecting, one pair might be segment AC and segment CF. Okay. Again, these are just one pair of several that we could find with a lot of them. Okay, what are some skew lines in B? QN, okay, so segment QN is skewed to segment MP. MP is this back one right there. Parallel would be segment MP and segment NO. And intersecting segments could be NQ, segment NQ, and segment QO. And there again are several of each. Those are just naming pairs. All right, let's look at our information here. You have 3 quick checks here. So you want to have these done ready for discussion. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye now.